Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, July 10th, and I'm going to be analyzing the euro yen starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the euro yen, I still think this is so extremely clear. This is a 1 2, and we're currently in a wave 3. Definitely no signs that the wave 3 is over. We are approaching a Fibonacci level, which maybe will cause enough resistance to end the wave 3. But there's nothing telling us that it needs to end here. It could easily go up to a higher Fibonacci level and still be in a big wave 3. Going down to the weekly time frame, like I was just explaining, no Fibonacci bounce, no lower high, no break of structure, no reason to do anything on the shorter time frames except for look for longs in an uptrend. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I still think this looks like a wave 1 and a wave 2, which means we're probably in a wave 3. We do have a couple areas of resistance coming up around the 176, so maybe, just maybe, it will go down there. But really, until we get some proof, like a break of structure, a lower high, or Fibonacci bounce, and a engulfing move, something telling us that the market is turned back down, I think that you need to do nothing but look for longs on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame, does kind of resemble that 3, 4, 5 set that you get at the end of every trend, but like I was saying, there's no evidence that this is over. It could easily, and it probably is very likely that it will keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and we need to keep on looking for pullback entries on shorter time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, ever since we had the end of a correction way back here, it definitely has been higher highs, higher lows. Until you get a break in the series of these higher highs, higher lows, I would definitely be looking for longs. I would definitely not even remotely even think about going short unless we had a very significant break of structure to the downside on the 4 hour or daily time frame. Otherwise, I would definitely continue to do nothing but look for longs at the end of three-way pullbacks. If you had been doing nothing but looking for longs for three-way pullbacks for pretty much months now, you would probably have a very significant increase in your trading account right now. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my daily live Zoom meetings and my swing trade setups. As always, thank you and happy trading.